Hi fellow bombers, welcome back to the channel. If you haven't yet, please subscribe to the channel by clicking on the subscribe button below and the bell button next to it to see future episodes being uploaded. On this episode, I'm very thankful for our partners from Antonov Vodka for providing the drinks. Remember to follow them on their IG, on their Facebook page, and I put on the link below so you can easily access it. Today, let me introduce you to the VP. Let's go.
Welcome back to Bombing with A. My name is Angelo, and I've never been a bartender before, or have I ever worked in a bar. This is just a passion of trying to create new flavor profiles through mixes done over time.
So first, 2 ounces of Antonov Vodka. Follow that up with Peach Schnapps, just an ounce. Add the ice. Follow it up with ginger beer. Once it goes to the top, add 0.5 or half an ounce of simple syrup. And last but not least, the Angostura bitters. Just 5, maybe around 2 to 3 dashes. 1,